Hello everyone and welcome to Info Electromaster. This is Momo. Well, I'm sure that every one of you have a friend from other country, but today your friend have a problem on his or her computer and you can't fix that problem. Can't fix the problem, but how? He is from United States and you are from other country. You can say that you can say go to start, then settings, then configuration. No. That's what TeamViewer do. Well, go to our website infoelectromaster.blogspot.com, then categories, computer or Windows. You will remote control any computer. Then this is TeamViewer. You click on the link. This is the official website. TeamViewer, all-in-one software for remote support and online meeting. And download. You don't have to register or the download started. I have already downloaded and installed it. It's easy. After that, you open the TeamViewer. Well, we'll try with some friend. For example, with this friend. Hi. Sup. Okay, that's TeamViewer. That's how it look like. You told me that you have a problem. Yeah. Well, now you will ask the friend to give you your ID and your password. That's ID and that's the password. Okay. Now send me your ID and your pass. Yeah. Come on. Your ID. Oh my god. Okay, we're waiting. Take your time. Yeah, take your time. Yeah, I can fix it. Just give me your ID now. Oh my god. Okay, take. We'll copy that ID and paste the ID right here and connection to a partner. That will ask us for the password. Okay. We'll see your computer how it look like. Okay, it's connecting. Okay. That's her computer. That's how it look like. Well, we'll try to send a message to myself. Well, yeah, don't touch the computer. Okay. No, not that one. Okay. Close that window. Hey, Info Electromaster fans. I'll send and I'll see. Okay, look. Okay, now you can do everything or wherever you want on her computer. For example, I don't know, fix the problem if there is a problem. Yeah, properties, fix. Well, she don't have problem, so well you can make a voice call or camera or videos or chats or anything. Yeah, well that's TeamViewer and that's Momo. Thank you for watching. No, bye bye, I can't help you. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like our Facebook page, we really need your likes, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.